Welcome to the OLC Accelerate 2020 virtual conference. To access the conference venue, please first log in to your OLC user account. On the OLC user login page, please enter the email and password you used to register for the conference. On your profile page, you will see some stripes that will redirect you to the conference venue. We invite all OLC Accelerate attendees to try our beta platform. On the venue landing page, please enter the email address that you used to register for the conference. Once you enter the conference venue, you have many different options for exploring all the different resources the conference has to offer you. We will start with the sessions area. Clicking on the sessions block in the previous view brings you to the today's sessions listing. If you select either Discovery Sessions or Exposition Foundry, you'll be directed to the All Sessions page. By selecting All Sessions from the top menu navigation, you will see a complete program listing for the conference. In the left-hand panel, you will see all the sessions. In the right-hand panel, you'll see two blocks. The top one will be the Exposition Foundry sessions, and the lower one will be the Discovery Sessions. Discovery and Exposition Foundry sessions will be held asynchronously in conjunction with VoiceThread. This view also lets you star items to add to your list of followings. Once you select a session, it opens a pop-up box. There, you'll see the Attend button, the ability to favorite the session by clicking the star, or add it to your calendar. You can also review the session details, including the title, the short abstract, the extended abstract, and the presenter information. We've also added a link in each description to easily access the session evaluation form. When you click on the Attend link, you'll be redirected to a new full details page for the session. You'll see a Join the Webinar link there. The join links will become active about 15 minutes before the session start time. Please note, there is a limited capacity for each of the session rooms, so we recommend you join early if possible. In the event that you do get there and the session room has reached its maximum capacity, please select a different session to attend during that time and plan on coming back to watch this one on demand. You'll note that this view also has a Resources tab. This is where you would find links to any resources or presentation files that the presenters have provided prior to the deadline. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the All Sessions listing, that is where you will find the on-demand listings and links. Please note that all registered conference attendees have access to the on-demand videos for 1 year post-conference. You can refer back to the list of followings by clicking on the down arrow next to your profile icon, and from there selecting Followings. The drop-down arrow next to your profile picture is also where you would check your messages, check chats, and also update your profile or account settings. Next, we will explore the exhibit hall area. Once you enter the exhibit hall area, you'll be able to scroll through all of the sponsors and supporters of our virtual event. Don't forget to click on the links at the top of the page to participate in the X Foundry Games. Each sponsor has their own individual page where you can explore their products and services. You can also add these to your list of following so you can refer back to them later. There will also be options for you to reach out with an email inquiry or even have a one-on-one chat with one of the sponsor representatives in their booth. These sponsor pages are also where you will find most of the answers for the X Foundry Games. The next area we will explore on our brief tour is the engagement area. Here you will find all the different links to the various engagement options the conference has to offer. We hope you will explore all these different engagement resources and take advantage of them just like you would if you were attending a conference on site. Finally, we'll do a quick exploration of the lounge. Within the lounge, you will have opportunities to join discussions with your fellow conference attendees. The links in the lounge will redirect you to the conference Slack space where you can engage in conversation with all of the attendees of the conference. If you are not already a member of the conference Slack space, you will be prompted to register before you can participate in the discussions.